Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Hulu app. We click on settings, then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Hulu app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.